Tinubu to opposition parties. I dey happy as I see say una scatter. Welcome to Synod Media. Abeg, if you never subscribe to our channel, make you do so now. Make you put on your notification button. E go give you notice once we drop updates. Like, comment, and share our videos. Country people, President Bola Tinubu, don dey mock opposition parties over the internal problems when e dey bedevil dem. The president use the opportunity when e take dey deliver im Democracy Day address at the joint sitting of the National Assembly to take talk dem and yab dem. The People's Democratic Party (PDP), Labour Party (LP), and New Nigerian People's Party (NNPP), dey struggle with the internal challenges wey dem get when e don lead to massive defection of their members to the All Progressive Congress (APC). The parties dem con dey accuse the All Progressive Congress say na im dey set fire for among dem to divide dem. Dem con dey allege, dey claim say the ruling party dey try to turn Nigeria into one-party state. Tinubu come talk say instead of dem to put their houses in order, instead of dem to settle the problems wey dem get with themselves, e say dem dey shift the blame to the All Progressive Congress for their own problem wey dem cause themselves. E say political parties dem dey fear make their members no leave. E say but if dem examine their own internal process and how dem dey do their matter, rather than to dey fearfully dey conjure up demons when e no dey exist, e say e go good for dem. E say for himself, im go tell dem say make dem try their best to put their house in order. E say no be im go help dem do so. E say for am, e dey give am joy to dey see say dem dey get their own problem within themselves. Na there im come talk say im no be advocate of one-party state. All these ones when the political parties dem dey say e dey wan turn Nigeria to one-party state, e say im no dey advocate for that one. E say im support make plenty parties dey the country. E say so all those when e dey ring the alarm say the APC e dey work hard to turn Nigeria to one-party state, e say im dey promise dem one thing. E say although their alarm na because of say dem dey panic now, e say but dem dey sound am in error. E say e no get any time, whether in the past or e no get any instance, whether in the present, and also e no go get any time for future when im go support the idea say make Nigeria become one-party state, because e no good for Nigeria. President come talk say im never attempt to alter the registration of any political party with INEC. E say also im friends, e say dem no go blame anybody when e dey wan jump comot for ship when e dey sink without life jacket. E come say make dem look at im political history. E say na im go be the last person to suggest make Nigeria be one party state. He said for 2003, when the party then, when the day in power, he tried to sweep the nation clean of political opposition through plot and manipulation. He said now only one be the progressive governor when he remain for a whole region. Now there, they give him the title last man standing. He said for all their numbers and all the wayo display they do that time, he said them both self say they go rule Nigeria for the next 60 years. He say where they dey now, because yet he stand alone. He say influence them. They don't even subject themselves to defeat. Say because the opposition that time they hold all the cards when human being go fit carry. He say but with all that, he say they no fit control the national destiny because wetin God don write na from heaven. He say one greater power no want Nigeria to become one party state back then. If not, Nigeria for be one party state. And that reference when they make so now when the People's Democratic Party, PDP, they rule Nigeria. President Tinubu come talk say they fail for their efforts to create one party state. He say they come put progressive political forces to form the All Progressive Congress, APC. He said that situation come put am for the line when he follow. Now that line so now bring am come meet them for the National Assembly today. So he not go do that favor to any political enemy by repeating the same mistake, of political overreach. He say one party state he not dey in the offing and he not go ever dey. He say but we must welcome and accept the differences and number of political parties. Just the same way we go welcome and embrace the differences of our population. He can say effort not good dey to eliminate political competition, but to make sure say the competition dey complement the national well-being so that they go work across the political aisle whenever possible. Now be say anybody when he wan leave one party for another, they're free to do so. He say we go dey vigilant to expand the political space, and also we go always dialogue over force. He say persuasion over suppression and right over might. He say we go dey tolerant and broad-minded, open mind for their legislative action regarding speech and civil liberties. President Tinubu come hard say APC, he say he go dey guilty of political malpractice if he close him door to the people when he dey seek to come join them. Country people, this na part of wetin President Bola Ahmed Tinubu he tell the legislators for the joint sitting, and he don make am clear he no dey for one party state. That no go stop am say if people wan leave their party because dem no get fulfilment to join APC, say he go come reject them. That he even dey happy for the internal crisis when e don hit all those parties. Say make dem solve their problems, make dem not pin their problems on am. How una see wetin the president don talk?